Why do we need food? We need food because it provides the essential nutrients our bodies require to function properly. These nutrients include 1. Energy. Food provides calories, which are converted into energy that our bodies need to perform physical activities and maintain vital functions like breathing and circulation. 2. Growth and repair. Proteins, vitamins, and minerals from food are necessary for the growth, maintenance, and repair of body tissues, such as muscles, skin, and organs. 3. Immune function. Certain nutrients, like vitamins and minerals, support the immune system, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses. 4. Regulation of body processes. Nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and water help regulate various body processes, including hormone production, nerve function, and digestion. 5. Mental function. Proper nutrition is important for brain function, influencing mood, memory, and cognitive abilities. Without food, the body would not be able to sustain life, leading to malnutrition, weakened immunity, and eventually death.